Hi everyone, welcome back to Byw'n Iach Arfon. As you can see, there are some new changes. Mask is number 1 and there are a few signs as well. So come on in, I'll show you the difference now. So here we are in the reception area. Please remember to wash your hands and follow the signage. So scan your card and off you go to your session. Remember to follow the one-way system, please. If you're coming to swim, arrive beach ready, and there's a station here for you to keep your belongings. Remember to keep social distancing around the pool, please. And exit this way after swimming. Thanks for watching, and we're looking forward to seeing you all.